Hi everyone, just wanted to talk about the weather in February in Riviera Maya and Cancun. Right now, we've been to Cancun before in February, and right now we're in Playa Del Carmen, the gated resort community of Playa Car in Mexico, staying at Hotel Riu Palace, Mexico. And I just want to talk about how the weather is in February in general. In terms of cloud coverage, it really fluctuates. Sometimes it can be cloudy 1 minute, and then the next 20 minutes it's sunny, and then for the next 5 minutes it's cloudy. It's really on and off. Cloudy, sunny, or there might be a few days where it is completely sunny or mostly sunny, like today, Tuesday. We arrived here on Friday, and for the first couple of days it was, I would say, 75% cloudy in terms of how often it was just cloudy, not sunny, most of the time for the first 2 days. And then today it is almost completely sunny the whole day. That's really what you should expect in terms of clouds. So very good weather overall in February if you're planning to travel to Cancun or Playa del Carmen in winter. In terms of temperature, it can range from 25 degrees Celsius. In terms of Fahrenheit, that's below 80 degrees at night or in the morning, and throughout the day it's between 27 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius on average in February, which is between 80 and 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Very pleasant. In terms of humidity, it is fairly humid, actually. Not to the point that it's necessarily uncomfortable, because again, it does cool down at night, but there will be humidity for sure. But overall, it's very pleasant to just walk around the beach during this time of the year in Mexico, Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Puerto Morelos, just because it is the temperature is very pleasant. It's not too hot, it's not too cold at night or in the morning, and a perfect balance of cloudy and not cloudy. Oh, as you can see here, the sun is just kind of obscured just a little bit. See, there's clouds, and over there in the distance, clouds up there. Today just happens to be one of those days where it is exceptionally sunny for most of the day, but of course you do have cloud coverage generally. 2 years ago we went in February to another resort in Cancun, and it was raining one day, but so far in this vacation this year, no rain, just some clouds. If you're thinking about swimming in the ocean or going to the pools, I will say that obviously, since the temperature is around 80 degrees, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, the water in the pools and the ocean is not going to be very warm. However, you'll get used to it if you just go in the ocean, swim around a little bit, go to the pool. You'll get used to it. It's not bad at all, I think. So, do I recommend going in February? Yes, I do. Look at the weather. Looks great. Unless, of course, it rains, then I apologize. I'm not trying to be misleading or anything. I'm just saying that when we went here a couple of years ago, and right now there hasn't really been any rain except for one day a couple of years ago, and it's generally very sunny, though there can be days where it is mostly cloudy, mixed in with some sun, and it is also potentially humid sometimes. One thing to note is that it can be very windy. It can be quite windy, not to the point where it is a disturbance, but you will notice that it is windy in February. So that is all you need to know. As you can see, here's some more cloud coverage, but this is generally what you would expect in February if you go to Cancun and Riviera Maya. Right now we're in Playa del Carmen, specifically the gated resort community of Playa Car, located in Mexico. Staying at Hotel Riu Palace, Mexico. We're having a great time. That's all for now. Hope you enjoy the weather if you go in February. Hope the weather is good for you. If you're planning an all-inclusive vacation in Mexico, I wish you all the best. good luck, and thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day. Here we are in the beach area at Hotel Rio Palace, Mexico, in the gated resort community of Playa del Carmen, located in the area of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This is what the weather is like in February. There's quite a bit of cloud coverage sometimes, and then it's sunny for a few minutes, and then cloudy for a few minutes, and then sunny. You get the idea. We're just going to walk you over to the ocean, and we're going to show you what the ocean looks like. Again, we're in February right now. It hasn't rained yet. We've been here for a few days at this resort, but I like the weather. It's very pleasant. It ranges from 25 degrees Celsius in the morning and at night, which is below 80 degrees Fahrenheit, to between 27 and 29 degrees Celsius throughout the day, between 80 and 84 degrees. Very pleasant. The water's a little bit colder, of course, but I think I've been able to get used to it, and it's definitely a little bit windy, but still enjoyable to walk around the beach and the ocean. Very good temperatures throughout the day. Very comfortable. See you at the beach. It's very windy right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but in the beach area next to the ocean, it is very windy.